Alicia, you say you want to meet Puppy, and I know I can't really drive 7 hours to go see you right now, even though I would love to. So instead, here you go. Puppy, Alicia, ow, ow, that's my ear. That's my ear. Puppy, Alicia, Alicia, Puppy. Oh, look how cute he is. Look how cute he is. And look at his balls dropped. Yeah, he doesn't like that. He doesn't like that, do you? No. Who's a big boy? Who's a big boy? So there you go. This is my puppy, aka Puppy. Oh, look at him be cute. Look at him be cute. Alright, there you go. You are now officially introduced to Puppy. But on a serious note, I miss you, hun. Be safe, be good. And you know what? That's all I got. Don't be good. Keep it bad.